hold this with your one hand and just untie it with this wrench. I just untied that before, but you have to hold this thing because that is too weak. Now we have to use this thing. We have to open this thing first from down. Push it and it will come out. You can see. Just clean it with something. First we have to open it. See that? This is the way how to open it. You can see there are only few pores open. We have to open as many as we can. This is gonna be hard because they are stuck too strong. Let's see how to break them. Now we have to mash it like this. Don't do it hardly because that can break the plastic. Do it carefully and gently. You can see it's coming out, and the holes will also open up because of the strikes. Be careful not to break this thing. This thing is plastic, very weak. Wash it. Check this thing, all clean guys, all clean. That's gonna be a good result. Make sure that this is clean as well. Just sometimes it makes only problems. Not every time. You can break these things like this. You can also sprinkle some water on it. Should be high pressure. You can see its result. So clear. Now place back those things. It's gonna lock inside it. And then this. That's it. Now I have to test it. Look at the pressure.